Hello friends, today I am gonna tell you 5 tips about programming. If you don't know what programming is, don't worry, let me introduce it to you. Computer programming is the process of designing and building an executable computer program for accomplishing a specific computing task. If you are interested in learning programming, then watch our video carefully because it will help you a lot in your future projects. Let's begin. You must have knowledge about computer science. Likewise, if you are determined to learn programming, but how can you start programming when you don't know about how computer works and how it processes data? I am not telling you to learn everything, but just the basics of computer. There are many tutorials out there on YouTube and many sites, or you just can open your school book and read it carefully. Let me ask you a question. What do you want to become? A web developer or programmer? If your choice is to become a web developer, you will have to choose HTML and CSS first and then start making designs. There are many templates on the internet, you can choose them and edit them, either you can make many on your own. For CSS, I recommend you to use a framework called Bootstrap. There are many tutorials on the websites and YouTube where you can learn HTML, CSS and Bootstrap for designing. Wait a second, I forgot to tell you about JavaScript also. You will also have to learn JavaScript to make your web page looks more valuable. Okay, if you want to become a web developer, then there are many websites where you can learn programming, or you can watch YouTube videos. I will tell you the name of all the sites in the end of the video. If you want to become a programmer, then you will have to start with these 3 languages, C, C++ and C#. I recommend you to start with these 3 languages because once you learn the basics of programming, every other language would be easier to learn. You can also choose Java or Python because these 2 languages are most used languages nowadays. If are ready to learn the language, start by learning the basics like arrays, variables, data types, functions, if-else statements, loops, operators.